The highly anticipated iPhone 17e is seen as a key strategic move for Apple, targeting the massive and competitive $500 to $600 mid-range smartphone market. This is the essential bracket for value-conscious consumers who demand near-flagship performance without the premium price. However, the path to dominating this category is not simple, and the performance of its rumored predecessor, the iPhone 16e, highlighted the exact areas where Apple must improve its value proposition. While the iPhone 16e brought a much-needed performance boost to a lower price point, it reportedly fell short in many markets, especially in Asia, where consumers have high expectations for features. The core issue was that even though it was cheaper than the flagship models, it still felt too expensive for what it offered compared to feature-rich Android rivals. The main reasons the iPhone 16e struggled to truly capture a wider audience came down to compromises that were simply too significant for the price. Consumers expressed disappointment that crucial modern features were missing. For instance, the iPhone 16e often lacked a desirable multi-lens camera system, sticking to a single lens when competitors offered ultra-wide or even telephoto options. Furthermore, many buyers felt that a lack of features like Magsafe compatibility, the more modern Dynamic Island display, made the device feel dated right out of the box. In markets where buyers rely on their phone for years and want the best specifications for their money, sacrificing core experiences like a versatile camera or a smooth display led to lukewarm sales, proving that just having the latest chipset is not enough to win this battle. The iPhone 16e was positioned to appeal to older iPhone owners, but its feature set did not give them a compelling reason to upgrade, leading to a feeling that it was relatively cheaper, but not cheap enough to make it clearly worthwhile over buying a higher-end, older model or a fully featured Android device.
I think Apple needs to give at least 90 Hz refresh rate to balance the price point. What's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments. You can also join our Instagram page. The link is available in the description. Now, this history of the iPhone 16e provides vital lessons for the upcoming iPhone 17e. To truly succeed and become the dominant device in the $500 to $600 price bracket, the iPhone 17e must nail the balance between cutting-edge speed and expected modern features. The core strength of the iPhone 17e will be the inclusion of the super-fast A19 chip, even a slightly scaled-down version, which will once again deliver unbeatable raw performance and power efficiency compared to any other mid-range smartphone. This power is essential for future-proofing, especially with the company's commitment to Apple Intelligence features, which needs strong hardware to run smoothly on the device. However, to match the competition and capture new users, the rumors suggest the iPhone 17e may need to be much more generous with its specifications. Key upgrades like the reported shift to the modern Dynamic Island cutout instead of the old notch, and the inclusion of USB-C are positive steps forward in design and usability. The device is expected to keep an excellent OLED display and a high-resolution 48-megapixel single rear camera, which will perform well thanks to Apple's superior processing. For the iPhone 17e to finally crack the mass market, it needs to ensure that the compromises it makes are in less critical areas, allowing it to focus on performance, a modern design, and crucially, making the barrier to entry to the powerful Apple ecosystem as appealing as possible. By getting the features and pricing exactly right, the iPhone 17e can become the gateway device that finally brings millions of new customers into the world of Apple services and hardware, ensuring the company's long-term dominance in the global smartphone market. What are your thoughts about the iPhone 17e? Do you think Apple will nail this price segment? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.